not every dream car has to be $1 million car. Matter of fact, some of the most iconic cars were as simple as just adding a stripe to a plain Jane, in this case, 1976 Torino. But it was a TV show that made this car absolutely famous.
Not just any TV show. Starsky and Hutch is known all over the world for two guys who are out fighting crime with their stereotypical sidekick. And these cars, I'd guarantee you, Ford sold every one of them in a hurry. Now there's a whole replica business behind that. This particular car was built in California, and a shop that's very near us installed all the mechanicals into it. We're not going to put up with that, are we?
No, but I'll tell you what, you can drive if you slide over the hood the way Starsky used to.
Well, I'm worried about the hood if I slide over the hood. What are you worried about?
Myself! Hell, I'll just drive. This thing doesn't handle like that Porsche.
That's amazing. It still pushes with the back tires completely locked up.
I'll tell you this much, I've driven a lot of dream cars. Put a 4.6, actually a 580-inch motor in this thing.
Donuts. We're cops.
Put a giant Roush stroker motor in this thing. Basically stock suspension, and we're trying to chase down a Porsche. It just isn't going to happen. Come on, let's focus on catching this guy.
All right.
You know what I like about these TV cars is you get to drive them like TV cars, slide them around and have a blast.
You know, I don't know anybody who's better at driving these old cars than you are. You know, there's a lot of guys out there who are looking for those fun cars. There may not be dream cars in terms of money, but boy, after riding around with you.
Think of that, you know, you don't need to spend $1 million. You can buy a 20 grand Torino, put a stripe on it, put the little light on top and the siren, go around, have a blast. The kids will love it, you'll love it, and I can't believe how fun they are to drive
I
sideways.
want you to know, the Dream Car Garage in no way endorses you getting a light or a siren. Let's get out of here.